Are you seeing the charging not available? Liquid has been detected in the lightning connector message on your iPhone. This usually pops up when your iPhone detects moisture in the charging port or lightning connector. Don't worry. Follow these steps to fix it and get your iPhone charging again. Solution 1. Eject water or liquid. First, let's try to get rid of any water or liquid in the port using a shortcut. Open your browser, tap on search, type in water eject shortcut. Add this shortcut to your list. Now, open the shortcut you just added. Tap start. Your phone will vibrate and it will begin ejecting water from the charging port. After doing this a couple of times, wait for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then, try charging your iPhone again. Solution 2. Use a wireless charger if supported. If your iPhone model supports wireless charging, iPhone 8 or later, this is a great backup option until the port is dry. Place your iPhone on a compatible wireless charger. Check if charging starts. You can keep using this method until the liquid is completely gone from the lightning port. Solution 3. Seek professional help if the issue continues. If the warning message is still showing up after 24 hours, there might be internal moisture or damage to your charging port. Visit an Apple store or head to an Apple authorized service provider. Let a technician take a look at your iPhone to check for any hardware damage. By following these steps, you should be able to get rid of the liquid has been detected warning and charge your iPhone again. Let me know if this worked or if you have any other questions.